Picture earning money in your sleep just by posting a link. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. Stick with us, and we'll unveil the secrets of making passive income through Fiverr affiliate marketing, an opportunity you definitely don't want to miss out on. Fiverr affiliate marketing is your hidden gem in the bustling world of online earnings. Imagine a platform where, with just a few clicks, you can start earning by promoting services without even having to provide them yourself. That's Fiverr for you. Its affiliate program is straightforward, and today we're going to break it down, making it as simple as ABC, for you to get started and potentially earn while you sleep. First off, you need to visit the Fiverr affiliate website. It's where magic begins. Here you'll find an option to join now or sign up. Click on it and you're on your way. The sign-up process involves filling out some basic information about yourself. Think of it as introducing yourself to Fiverr, telling them who you are and how you plan to promote their services. It's crucial because Fiverr wants to ensure that their services are shared far and wide, but also in the right way. Next comes the part where you select your marketing method. Do you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a hefty social media presence? Choose the method that best fits you. This step is pivotal because it helps Fiverr provide you with the right tools to promote their services effectively. Once you've filled in the details and chosen your preferred marketing method, wait for the approval email. This is where patience comes into play, but worry not, Fiverr is quick with these decisions. Once approved, you'll get access to your dashboard, which is like your control room on the Fiverr spaceship. Here's where the fun begins. You'll find your affiliate link, and that link is your golden ticket. Share it on your blog, in your YouTube video descriptions, or your social media platforms. Each time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase on Fiverr, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. But remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is promotion, promotion, and more promotion. The more you share your link, the higher the chances of earning commissions. And there you have it, step by step. You just signed up for Fiverr's affiliate program and you're ready to start earning. Now, I've got a question for you. Have you considered what services you'd like to promote first and why? Let's get a conversation started on the exciting opportunities with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Navigating the world of Fiverr's affiliate plans can be like stepping into a treasure trove full of opportunities, each with its unique allure. Picture this. You're exploring two main paths, CPA, or cost per acquisition, and the hybrid plan. It's essential to understand these paths deeply because choosing the right one is akin to selecting the right gear for a quest. The CPA plan is straightforward. Imagine every time you inspire someone to make their first purchase on Fiverr through your link, you earn a crisp commission. This is where your storytelling and persuasive skills shine, as every new buyer you bring to Fiverr's universe adds directly to your treasure chest. It's perfect for those who love seeing immediate results and have a knack for bringing in fresh faces to Fiverr. On the flip side, we have the hybrid plan, a blend of the traditional CPA and a monthly commission from every purchase your referred users make, not just the first one. This is the long game where patience and strategy play key roles. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into a garden of ongoing commissions. It's an excellent choice for those who are in it for the long haul, aiming to build a community of consistent Fiverr users. Choosing between these gleaming paths depends on your style. Are you the kind of explorer who thrives on quick wins and immediate gratification? Or do you prefer planting seeds, nurturing them, and watching them grow over time? Both paths lead to success on Fiverr. It's just about aligning it with your goals and playstyle. Which path sparks your interest, and how do you plan to carve your trail to success with Fiverr's affiliate program? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Setting up your affiliate account is like laying the foundation of your digital empire. It might seem daunting at first, but I promise, with a few key pointers, you'll be on your way to creating a lucrative stream of income. First things first, when you sign up, you're going to want to zero in on your niche. This is crucial. Why? Because understanding who you're talking to determines everything from the type of content you produce to the products or services you'll be promoting. Now, think about painting a picture your audience can't look away from. How? By tailoring your profile to speak directly to them. This means customizing your account details to reflect the interests and needs of your audience. Think of your account like your digital business card. It's the first thing potential followers and partners will see. Next up, we're talking about security settings. I can't stress enough how important it is to secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, choose a strong password, and regularly review your security settings. This not only protects you, but also builds trust with your audience. Last, but by no means least, we need to talk about tracking and analytics. This is your roadmap to understanding what's working and what's not. By setting up proper tracking right from the start, you'll gain insights into the success of your campaigns, including which links are bringing in the traffic and which products your audience is responding to. How are you planning on setting up your affiliate account? What's one thing you're excited to implement from what we've just discussed? Remember, the path to success is always under construction. Choosing the best Fiverr services isn't just about popularity. It's about understanding your audience. Think of yourself as a detective uncovering clues to their preferences. Explore relevant categories, focusing on ratings and reviews for guidance toward the perfect fit that exceeds expectations. Next, picture each gig as a potential partner in your affiliate strategy. You're looking for reliability, quality, and a dash of wow factor. Don't shy away from contacting the gig creator for more insights. Consider it a pre-interview. Your audience trusts your recommendations, so investing time in ensuring you promote top-notch services will pay dividends in your credibility and ultimately your success. Here's where the gold nuggets lie: custom offers. Not every promotion needs to fit inside the box. Reach out to sellers about creating custom offers tailored specifically for your audience. This personal touch not only enhances the value you provide, but also strengthens your relationship with both the seller and your audience. Now ponder on this: how can you leverage these insights to curate a list of services on Fiverr that not only captivates your audience, but also drives your affiliate marketing success to new heights? What's the first gig you plan to explore based on these strategies? Creative ways to share your affiliate links stretch far beyond the simple click here button on your website. In the realm of social media, think of your affiliate links like a secret sauce that, when used wisely, can spice up your content and bring in a steady stream of income. Imagine creating an Instagram story where you're reviewing a product, a book maybe, that you absolutely adore. The twist? You embed your affiliate link right there. Viewers swipe up and voila, they're checking out a product you recommend while you earn a commission. Now picture this in the world of blogging. Your blog is your kingdom, and each post is a unique story that draws readers closer to you. Why not embed your affiliate links within these captivating tales? Say you're writing about the top 10 gadgets that have simplified your life. Here, each gadget can be a doorway through an affiliate link to where your reader can experience this simplicity too. Email marketing, though often perceived as old school, holds untapped potential for sharing affiliate links. Crafting an email that feels personal and provides value can lead your audience to explore recommended products through your affiliate links. Imagine sending out a newsletter filled with tips for living a healthier lifestyle, including a section with product recommendations, each accompanied by your affiliate link. It's personal, it's beneficial, and it subtly guides your audience towards making a purchase that also benefits you. In each of these scenarios, the key is to weave your affiliate links into content that's engaging, valuable, and relatable. Your audience is more likely to engage with a product recommendation that feels like a friend's advice rather than a sales pitch. Now, I've shared a few creative ideas. What unique methods can you think of for sharing your affiliate links? How can you integrate these strategies into your current content to not only provide value to your audience, but also enhance your affiliate marketing efforts?